Welcome to this video series on the 10 of 30 days of Python. In this video, we'll be looking at logical operators in the Python programming language. Now, in the Python programming language, logical operators are used to combine the results of logical expressions. Now, we have three. We have AND, OR, and NOT. Those are the three that we have. Now, in Python, AND is evaluated before OR. Now, the way AND works is this. It returns true if both operators are true. So AND only works for one case where it's true, true. And then the way OR works is that OR returns true if one or both of the operators are true. Otherwise, it returns false. Now, the NOT operator is a unary operator. Unary means it works on only one operator, one operand, which returns the opposite value of whatever it is given. Now, why logical operators are powerful is because they are used in conditional statements and loops to check multiple conditions at once. So let's get started. Now, if we say x is equals to 10, y is equals to 5, we now say if x greater than 5 and y less than 10. Now, both of these conditions are true, so we say print both conditions are true, and it prints that out. So this example, you see that the AND operator will check if x is greater than 5, which it is, and y is less than 10, which is also is, and then print out this. Now, if we have if x less than 5 and y less than 10, print this will not be printed. And you see nothing happens because we know the value of x is 10 and 10 less than 5 is false. See, so remember from the section on if statements are used in decision making. So that's the way it works. So similarly, if we go to OR and we say if x greater than 5, which is true, or y greater than 10, which is false, we say print at least one condition is true. And then lastly, if not x equals to 5, and this value will evaluate to true, print x is not equal to 5. So you see that the logical operators work by the not logical operator negates this truth, because we know that 10, if 10 equals to 5 will give you false, but it converts that to true. So thank you very much for watching.